Hi everybody, it is such an exciting time going back to school, and of course one way to really help you succeed this year is to stay organized. I've got 3 great DIY ideas that will help you stay ahead. Let's start with the pencil and school supply organizer. I got a drink caddy and designer paper. I took white spray paint and sprayed it all over and gave it several coats. Then I measured my paper out to fit on the side. Once cut, I used Mod Podge to secure it to the wood. Then I added a coat on top. I used Mod Podge to attach a different design on the other side. And sealed it off as well. Now I used a chalk paint on the sides. This can be used for notes and reminders for school. Once dry, add pencils and you have a great organizer for your school supplies. Next, I created a designer dry erase board out of an old frame. First, you paint the frame white. Take out the frame and picture that comes with it. I used designer duct tape to cover the picture. Put it back in the frame and you have a cute background to write messages and reminders. And last, a chalkboard paint reminder clipboard. I took chalk paint and painted the plain clipboard. Once it was dry, I used designer paper with an adhesive on the back to create a design on the bottom. You can then use chalk pens to write messages and reminders. And of course, you can find these ideas as well as many other DIY back to school ideas on my blog at cookcraftcake.com.